Hello friends, welcome to Apni Extra Class. Today's story is, the new player on the team, Aarav had just joined a new school. He loved cricket but felt nervous to join the school team. All the other players were experienced, and Aarav was just a beginner. One day, he gathered his courage and asked the coach if he could practice with the team. The coach smiled and said, "Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard." Aarav practiced every day. Slowly, his skills improved. 1 month later, during a school match, he got a chance to play, and he scored the winning runs. Everyone cheered for him. Aarav proved that beginners can become champions with effort and belief. Today we learn 10 vocabulary words. Nervous, feeling worried or shy. Experienced, having knowledge or skill from doing something. Beginner, a person who is just starting. Courage, bravery to do something difficult. Practice, to do something repeatedly to get better. Coached, a person who trains players, talent, natural ability, or skill. Improved, became better. Cheered, shouted in joy or support. Champion, a winner or top performer. You don't forget to like it and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and keep learning with Apni Extra Class.